Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on gold, and it's a new week. Today is Monday and we're currently going into the London session. Okay, so currently what we are expecting here, we saw that last week we had a bit of range, price ranged for a couple of days, and then had this spike up over here to 1941 region. Yeah, so going forward, I'm anticipating either a continuation to the bullish side around 1971, or we'll continue bearish. Why is that? Let's move over to the other time frame so we can see what I mean by that. So over here on the 1 hour time frame, you could see price broke through this medium trend line here right now, and it priced at a very critical zone around this area of 1945, 1946 to 1950 region. And what we'll be expecting going forward from it is more like, okay, price is at this key level. So if price wants to still go up, go bullish, we might anticipate more like a little pullback to this region one more time at 1930 or even 1938, and then spike up and get all the way to 1964 and 1970 region. Otherwise, price might just be tired of going up and use this region as a strong resistance, and price will pull down back to all the way to 1892, 1891. Be that as it may, let's see how price will play out before Wednesday. Other than that, to help me secure a good way to actually go shorts, I'm looking at this trend line here, 1 2 3. A break of it, a retest of it, I might just go short, and a bounce of it, we might just continue bullish. And also to give us more like a pattern formation right now, we could see more like this channel. So there's a possibility a break of this channel, retest of it, then we'll go short and probably come retest this region before going bullish. And I'll be confident to go buys when price break 1950, and confident to sell when price breaks back through these lows of 1930 and back into this trend line. Then we might consider, but the purest of it all is 1915. I said that last week. If price breaks through 1915, I'm sure to go short. Price breaks through 1950, I'm sure to go long. But for now, within this within these regions of 1950 and 1915, 1950 and 1915, then I might be considering to either sell and then buy at this region, depending on how the candles form. I'll see you guys on Wednesday and have a beautiful week. Ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on gold. It's Wednesday, and quickly on Monday we had this analysis, and I mentioned that if price breaks through this channel, we might see shorts to this point before we go long. And I told you I'll be confident to buy if price breaks through 1950 and we test it, and then we'll go for buys. And if you see, price played out very beautifully. Price played out very beautifully on here on gold. And without wasting much time, going forward between now and Friday, as you can see, price is also at a key level right now. Price during February 24 hit this highs of 1975 and rejected it, breakthrough and broke back into this region, and now we are currently at that region of 1975 one more time. So two things going forward: if price breaks through this region, then we will anticipate price to come back to 2008. But we might anticipate the rejection at this region one more time to either come back to 1950, or we might continue seeing price go down all the way to 1915 one more time again, or we might even see a new bearish structure. But two things: if price breaks this region between now and Friday, we'll see price come to 2008. Otherwise, there will be a rejection here and we'll have more reasons to sell. I think this trend line is still valid. Yeah, touch 1, touch 2, we might see touch 3, and then we'll break through this region and continue. Or we could break through this trend line, a good retest of this region here, and we'll see price fall all the way to 1946 and probably 1930, depending. And we actually had the CPI yesterday, so probably the result of the CPI, we'll see how price will follow up. So going forward, I think that's it. I'll see you guys on Friday, and let's see how price plays out. Ciao. Hello guys, and welcome to weekly tracking here on gold. Quickly, let's go into the styles. I remember on Wednesday, currently the gold market is not open because of the multiple bank holidays, and so currently on Wednesday I anticipated that price breaks this region of 1975. Retest of it will continue up, and a rejection of this region will see price come all the way down. Now look at what happened. Going forward, I figured that this is a huge manipulation. Price looked as if it broke through this region, retesting it, and wanted to go up. It would have tricked traders into buying, but I'm glad I wasn't even noticing it until price had started making something interesting, which is lower lows and lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And I decided that if price comes back to this region one more time, I'm looking for my entries to short, and that's what happened. Although I came shy of 3 pips or 2 pips to my TP, which in the first place I would have placed my TP here or TP here, would have still have a good risk to reward ratio of like 1:3. But as you can see, this is what happened, and it would have been a good risk to reward of 1:3 around this region. But all good. So the trade was a beautiful trade because I had a lot of confluences. First, this inner trend line break 1, 2, 3, 4. A break of it, a retest of this trend line 1, retest of the trend line 2. I had a good entry. A retest of this would have also made a good entry, and this too. And then we also have a downward trend line bounce of 1, 2, and the third one. This is a huge, beautiful trade confluence, and price coming into a strong resistance of the previous level, which was at this wave. You see, so this was really a beautiful trade. So going forward, as you can see this pattern, I'm anticipating price to actually break through it and go down maybe by next week. We'll have this strong resistance level at this resistance and support level at this region. So I'm anticipating a break of this trend line, retest of it, and we could see price come all the way to this point at 1946. Otherwise, we could see that price is done making whichever things he's doing here, and then we'll see price break back up to this level and go higher. I'll see you guys on Monday. Enjoy the rest of the week. Ciao.